माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
प्लीज बैठ जाइए। अभी छोड़ खड़े होकर ना। Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Sri Chaitanya Prasad Majhi, former member of this House, on 28th of January 2019 at the age of 89 years. Born in September 1929 at Changwa in Mayurbhanj district of Orissa, Sri Chaitanya Prasad Majhi was a member of this House from April 72 to April 78. I am also to inform the members that Sri Majhi was the father of Srimati Sarojini Hembram, sitting member of this House. A tribal leader, Sri Majhi was educated at Calcutta University, Kolkata, and was actively associated with the welfare of the scheduled tribes. He served as the member of All India Tribal Literacy Forum, New Delhi, and also has a few books on tribal language and culture to his credit. Sri Majhi started his career as an assistant district welfare officer in 53-54 and went on to become the first employment officer of Mayurbhanj district, and later as a member of the Orissa Public Service Commission from 1979 to 1985. Sri Majhi served as a member of the Orissa Legislative Assembly from 1986 to 1990, from 1990 to 1995, and from 2004 to 2009. He was a minister in the government of Odisha, held several portfolios. He also served as the Deputy Minister of Petroleum and Chemicals in the Union Council of Ministers from 1974 to 1976. In the passing away of Sri Chaitanya Prasad Majhi, the country has lost a noted tribal leader, an able administrator, and a distinguished parliamentarian. We deeply mourn the passing away of Sri Chaitanya Prasad Majhi. I request the members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. The Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Please, papers to be laid on the house. Please, papers to be laid on the table. Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. Sri Dharmendra Pradhan.
With your permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the house listed against my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
सर, आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख क्रम संख्या 2 पर वर्णित विवरण को मैं सदन के पटल पर
श्री गिरिराज सिंह।
आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के आगे उल्लेखित कागजात को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्रीपाद यशो नायक।
to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against my name at serial number 3 of today's revised list of business.
Sri Ramdas Atware.
Respected Chairman, sir, I lay on the table of the House papers listed at serial number 5 against my name in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Sri Ram Kripal Yadav. Sri
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
श्री हंसराज गंगाराम अहिर।
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से मैं अपने नाम के सन्मुख आज के संशोधित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 7 में उल्लेखित पत्रों की एक प्रति सभा पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
श्री किरण रिज्जू।
Chairman sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Shri Kiran Rijju, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against his name at serial number 8 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Shri Vijay Goyal.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Jasan Sinha, I rise to lay on the table of the House.
Shri Jain Sinha.
Yeah, Jayan Sinha, sir. Paper listed against is at serial number 9 in today's revised list of business.
It is going on record, no? That's why. Shri Vijay Sampla.
आज की संशोधित कार्रवाई मत संख्या नंबर 10 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष दस्तावेजों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 11 in the today's revised list of the business. Thank
Sri
you.
Ajay Tamta.
क्रम संख्या 12 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित कागजात को आज की कार्य की संशोधित सूची के अनुसार सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
Srimati Krishna Raj.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं राज्यसभा की कार्यकारिणी की आज की संशोधित सूची में क्रम संख्या 13 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध विवरण को सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहती हूँ।
Sri C.R. Chaudhary.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 14 in the revised list of business for today, the 13th February 2019. Thank you very much.
Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal. Subhash Vamre के जगह पे.
Yes. Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy of the papers mentioned against the name of my colleague Sri Subhash Bhambre at serial number 15 today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Dr. Satyapal Singh.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 16 in today's list of business.
Sri Ponu Radhakrishnan.
I rise to lay on the table of the House under clause 1 of Article 151 of the Constitution a copy in English and Hindi of the report of the Controller and Auditor General of India, Air Force Performance Audit on Capital Acquisition in Air Force, Union Government Defence Services Report number 3 of 2019 as mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 12th of February 2019 passed the Finance Bill 2019. The Speaker has certified that this bill is a money bill within the meaning of Article 110 of the Constitution. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Report of the Department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce. Sri Naresh Gujral.
Sir, I rise to present the 149th report in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on action taken by the government on the recommendations of the observations of the committee contained in its 145th report on impact of Chinese goods on Indian industry.
Reports of the Department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers. Sri Yadam Ram Karim.
Honorable Chairman, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy, each in English and Hindi, of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on the Chemicals and Fertilizers. 154th report on the subject pricing of drugs with special reference to drugs price control order 2013 of the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Department of Pharmaceuticals, and 255th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 46th report, 15th Lok Sabha, on the subject promotion and coordination of basic, applied and other research in areas related to the pharmaceutical sector of the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Department of Pharmaceuticals.
Report of the Department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel. Sri Vijay Pal Singh Toma.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लेखित कोयला और इस्पात संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 49वें प्रतिवेदन की एक प्रति अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Reports of the Department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs. Srimati Jaya Bachchan. Sri D. Kupendra Reddy.
English and Hindi and the following report of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs. 24th report on action taken by the government on the observation recommendation contained in the 21st report of demand of grant of Ministry of External Affairs of 18 and 19, and 25th report on action taken by the government on the observation recommendation contained in the 22nd report on the subject Sino-Indian relations including Doklam border situation and cooperation in external organization. Thank you.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, Dr. Narendra Yadav.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. 1. 71st Report on Central Assistance for Disaster Management and Relief. And second, 72nd Report on Strengthening of the Credit Rating Framework in the country. Thank you.
Report of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour, Dr. Vanda Prakash.
Respected Chairman, sir, on your kind permission, I raise to lay on the table 57th report of the departmental related Parliament Standing Committee on Labour, both in English and Hindi. Guidelines, monitoring, rating and regulatory system, status of investment in bonds and such investments. Thank you.
Report of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, Srimati Jarna Das Vaidya.
Thank you, sir. With your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 67th Report of Social Justice and Empowerment 2018-19 on action taken by the government of the observation and recommendation
Please,
contained in the 54th report of the Committee on Impact Analysis of the Microcredit Finance Scheme of the National Scheduled Caste Finance and Development Corporation of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Social Justice and Empowerment.
Action taken statements of department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence, Dr. Ashok Bajpai.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay a copy each of the further action taken statements, Hindi and English versions of the government on the recommendation contained in Chapter 1 of the 27th, 35th, 36th, 38th and 39th reports of the Standing Committee on Defence, 16th Lok Sabha, as listed against my name is today.
Reports of the Committee on Empowerment of Women, Srimati Vandana Chauhan.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of 3 reports of the Committee on Empowerment of Women. First, 14th report on the subject Yoga and Sports Facilities for Women. Second, the 15th report on the subject Working Conditions of Women Teachers in Schools. And third, the 16th report on the subject Higher Education and Research and Development Prospects for Women. Thank you, sir.
Report of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes, Sri Ram Narayan Dudi.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से मेरे नाम के आगे आवासन और शहरी कार्य मंत्रालय से संबंधित केंद्रीय लोक निर्माण विभाग में रोजगार में अन्य पिछड़े वर्गों के लिए प्रतिनिधित्व सुनिश्चित करने तथा उनके कल्याण के लिए किए गए उपायों के बारे में अन्य पिछड़े वर्गों के कल्याण संबंधी समिति के 20वें प्रतिवेदन हिंदी एवं अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Statement of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes, Sri Ram Narayan Dudi.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मेरे नाम के सम्मुख मैं उपभोक्ता मामले, खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण मंत्रालय से संबंधित भारतीय खाद्य निगम FCI में अन्य पिछड़े वर्गों का रोजगार में प्रतिनिधित्व सुनिश्चित करने एवं उनके कल्याण हेतु किए गए उपाय विषय पर अन्य पिछड़े वर्गों के कल्याण संबंधी समिति के 11वें प्रतिवेदन 16वीं लोकसभा अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई पर समिति के 15वें प्रतिवेदन के अध्याय 1 में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा आगे की गई कार्रवाई को दर्शाने वाले विवरण की एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Statement by Minister Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
Sir, with your permission, I wish to lay the statement regarding status of implementation of observations, recommendations contained in the 42nd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour on regulatory framework of the EPFO on the excluded category vis-a-vis implementation of various PF acts along with delay statement. Thank you.
Sri Ramesh Chandappa Jijnagi.
Chairman sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the statement regarding the status of the implementation of recommendation contained at the 45th report of the Standing Committee of Rural Development pertaining to the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation.
Sri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir.
महोदय, मैं गृह मंत्रालय की संबंधित एमडीएमसी में 12 मासी प्रकृति के कार्यों के लिए अनुबंध के आधार पर नैमित्तिक सफाई कामगारों की तैनाती के बारे में संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 13 प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों समुक्तियों के कारण की स्थिति के बारे में व्यक्ति को सभापति पर आपकी अनुमति रखना चाहता हूँ।
Sri Kiran Rijiju. Sri Anant Kumar Hegde.
Kiran Rijiju on behalf of.
You have to, for a statement, you have to take the permission beforehand. Sri Anant Kumar Hegde. For laying paper is different.
Chairman
Statement
sir,
means,
with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations, observations contained in the 41st report of the Standing Committee on Labour on Janashikshana Samsthan scheme pertaining to the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship.
Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I want to lay a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendation contained in the 14th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources on review of the Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program. Thank you.
Sri C.R. Chaudhary.
Sir, with your kind permission, I make the following statements regarding, first, status of implementation of recommendation contained in the 142nd report of the Department-related Parliament Standing Committee on Commerce on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observation contained in the 138th report of the Committee on activities and functioning of the Spice Board. Second, status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 145th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on the subject impact of Chinese goods on Indian industry. Thank you, sir.
Motion for election to the court of Aligarh, the Aligarh Muslim University. Sri Prakash Javadekar to move a motion for the election of 2 members to the court of Aligarh Muslim University.
Sir, I rise to move that in pursuance of item number 24 of clause 1 read with clause 2 of statute 14 of statutes of Aligarh Muslim University, this house do proceed to elect in such a manner as the chairman may direct 2 members from amongst the members of the house to be members of the court in Aligarh Muslim University in the vacancies caused by due to retirement of Sri Munkad Ali and from the membership of Rajya Sabha on 2nd April 2018 and completion of term of Sri Samsher Singh Manas in the court of on 1st March 2018.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Honorable members, I have received 267 notices from Vinay Vishwam, Sukendra Sekhar Rai, Ram Gopal Yadav. I have not admitted them, but if I have an assurance, then please go to your seats. House is adjourned to meet at 12 o'clock.